Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Tinktronics channel where we're going to tinker and learn today. Today, we are in the process of creating a robot that's going to go and scrape eBay for graphics card information. So, what we're going to do first is we're going to figure out how to use UiPath Studio Pro Community Edition to help us to accomplish this task. What I want to do is I want to basically open a browser, and instead of open, start a process. So I go to my C drive, program files, x86, and I'll go to Google Chrome, application, Chrome, and we'll type in HTTP ebay.com, and then we'll just give it a shot that way. So let me see what we have. Close Chrome, press play. And it took us right where we wanted to go. I could hard code a search string in there. That's one of the ways that we could do it. And I could hard code this URL in there as opposed to just the regular eBay URL. Save our work. Browser's closed. Debug the file. There we have it. It opens up the what we need. Okay. So now we opened up a window and we have that. As a matter of fact, I need to reopen the window again, or do I? I'm gonna proceed. Scrape the data into a table. Now that we have this sequence that opens the browser for us, the next thing I'm interested in doing is getting the text. So what we're going to need is a data scraping wizard. Open the browser, application or document, and navigate to where you want to extract data from. Press next in this dialog box and hover the mouse over the cursor source field. Click that field. So let's do it. So I gotta use the data scraping wizard. All right, we're gonna do it all again. We want it to what it is. We're gonna select the similar field. If I use my arrow keys to get down here, extract the URL, call it listing URL. Got correlated data because we want to know some prices. Okay, I have to do it right. Create a pattern unit back. Cost will be the text column name. Next. Okay, so we can try and finish that. But I'm going to scroll down to where there's a next so I don't have to worry about where that is. So what we'll do is we'll finish. It's going to ask us to identify is the data spanning multiple pages. Identify the element that navigates to the next pages. It could be a next button or an arrow, not a page number. Press yes to indicate it. All right, so we have our extracted your data, and we should be putting this data into a table. Let's give it a test run and see what we have. Yeah, execution looks fine. And we'll just wait and see what it does. We might have a problem. All right, so we gotta fix it. We gotta fix this. So stop. All right, let's try it again. But before we even do it, I'm gonna do a little Excel activities. All right, so we'll make a new workbook, desktop workbook. Full name called the grab. Okay, so we're gonna make a new one. And we'll just call it the grab for now. And the data table needs to be the same data table that we have here. Extract data table. No errors, no nothing. Let's see what we have. Let's run it and see what we got. Something's gone wrong. I don't know what. Or is it? All right, stop. Yeah, we can validate it that way. That's one way of doing it. Because that other thing may vary. Let's give it a shot. It seems to be working better than it was before. Okay, and then it did all that data real quick. So if I were to go to my desktop to see what I have, I basically have the information that I was looking for within the spreadsheet. Now, there are a couple of things I could do here to clean it up or whatever have you. Like I can say, I can apply, let's see, description, link, price. And then I can filter it, data filter. Without the blanks, and I have about a few, a nice little data scrape going. Then I have all the prices over here. I could even go so far as to maybe sort from A to Z or sort data sort by we could sort by the price, values, we'll just go that way. Sorted as a number, looking like a number. So we got, oh my. So if I hide this for now, I have a bunch of prices and I have a bunch of descriptions. So you get an idea of just like how useful this application can be. Pretty neat stuff. If you like the channel, subscribe. If you want to help support the channel, visit all my links down in the comment section. And that's it. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day.